guys, we're here in Hacienda de Rasa Resort in Tanawan, Batangas. And we have a very interesting topic this morning of being a manager. At syempre, dahil summer ngayon at maraming pumupunta sa mga resort, ating makakapanayam ang general manager ng resort na ito na si Mr. Vincent Tortosa. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Amor.
Sir, paano po kayo nagsimula as a general manager here sa resort na ito?
Actually, as a general manager here, I was tapped by the owner. I'm also a hotelier sa ibang kumpanya. And then, they invited me dito para mag-manage ng resort. So, yun doon lang talaga kami nag-start. Ang owner is Mr. Manabanan.
As a manager po, paano nyo minamanage ang buong resort?
As a general manager, first of all, talaga, you have to overview lahat ng areas, key areas ng resort. So, sa amin, we do have the main area, which is the swimming pool and then the hotel. Additives on these things are yung restaurants natin, which is Titong Alfredo's restaurants.
For those who are interested na magpabook dito sa resort, paano po kayo tumatanggap ng clients?
We do accept clients through website, in-house call, mga walk-ins. Mas marami yung mga walk-ins namin considering on this area here in Batangas, Tanawan, Batangas, ay kami lang ang medyo maganda ang resort dito. So, more on walk-ins and telephone calls ang bookings po natin for special events po.
Siyempre dahil malaki po itong resort na hinahawakan ninyo, paano naman po ninyo na-maintain ang cleanliness po ng buong resort na ito?
Actually, maintaining a 4-hectare property ay medyo mahirap talaga. Kaya yung a while ago, what I've said, you have to overview lahat. So, lahat ng aspects. So, na-maintain namin to yung through proper housekeeping. We do have our gardeners, mga lifeguards, and then we have an agency to clean the pool. On the kitchen side and then the F&B side, we do have some chefs in charge. Maraming aspects kung paano namin i-maintain kasi unang-una, one good example, pag bumagyo, considering we have fruit bearings trees here, so mahirap din mag-maintain. So through garbage naman, we have our regular garbage collection. So napapanatili namin mag-iinsan.
Particularly the maintenance of the pool.
Yes, ang pool namin ay medyo ingat na ingat kami. So, we don't allow people to swim na naka-dark color shirts. So, we allow them at least white t-shirt for girls. Then, as much as possible, trunks or swimming suit sa mga babae.
Ito naman po ang pinaka-interesting na tanong, di ba? How do you give the satisfaction of your clients?
Giving satisfaction to the clients, actually, more on appreciation. Appreciation na accepting na they can do whatever they want to do in a nice way. At the same time, accepting them not to go back. Yun na appreciation na gusto namin makuha and satisfaction na gusto namin makuha sa kanila. So, through those satisfaction, gusto namin yung service namin, syempre, quality service. Actually, we have a international standard service, especially from the waiter, from the lifeguards, from the housekeeping. It's an international standard, so we can compete on class A to until class B and C customers.
Finally, sir, please do invite our televiewers for those who would like to come and visit Hacienda de Rasa Resort.
Yes, I would like to invite you guys to come over to our resort dito sa Tanawan, Batangas. It's 791 Jose P. Laurel Street, Barangay Darasa, Tanawan, Batangas. You can also contact us through our website, which is www.darasafiestaresort.com, and you can also book number. It's 778-5354. So hope to see you guys here and sana ma-enjoy nyo rin ang aming amenities and the whole resort.
Thank you very much,
Thank
sir.
you.
So guys, I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa inyong summer vacation. At sigurado ko kung nag-enjoy kayo sa inyong resort na pinuntahan, ay dahil yan sa great man behind ng resort, ang tinatawag na General Manager. Isang General Manager na saludo kami sa inyo, isang tatak ng Kayod Pinoy.